that only these two locations will be chosen.
Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Konrad Sangma henne kesngi ulo ongba ke sorkar Jylla kan yai kershan ya ke district council hinrei ke de ke kamram ke bahakmat jongki autonomous district council ban kemi hi ya ke pisa ke pilan jongki. Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla ulo ong ya ke ne na ke jingkeli ke bami Halor ke jingdawa na ke sorkar ke balam khamat da ke seng NPP ban penlat mardor ya ki Tulop ki badang Sahteng jongki Nongtrei ke KHASI. Usang mau lo ong ba ka sorkar Jylla kadon ban yarap bat kershan ya ki autonomous district council hinrei kam lapat ban shimti pura ya ke kamram ban a ya ki Tulop.
So government has been supporting in every way possible. But as I said, the primary responsibility lies with the autonomous councils because they are autonomous in nature and they have to take care of their own finances and their own reforms and other steps and administer themselves independently. Therefore, we are obviously there to help and support, but we cannot take full responsibility of giving the salary. But we are trying to find ways and means in which we can figure out if there's some way to further support them. The matter is being examined.
Sembut Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla